Alpher
Omegar.
and we're Alpher and Omegar.
And this is Alpher Omegar's mystery unboxing.
Ayo! So we're back to Luke Corner. Today we've got more of edition 2 of the Game of Thrones mystery mini.
Game of Thrones.
So we've been doing pretty well here. I'm still hoping for one of those metallic dragons.
So,
did we mention
we've only got the one.
Oh, did we get away? No, we didn't get away. No.
We haven't got a white yet. We've only got the Hound left from the outside of the box, from what he thinks. I'm still not sure we got Danny, but he's confident.
I'm confident we got Danny.
I haven't checked since the last video. Alright. Definitely hoping for rare. I would love the Warg Total.
Yeah,
Really awesome. Don't think I got it. I think that's the Mountain.
I believe that's the Mountain. Yes. He's very shiny. Mountain.
And another Oberyn. I guess they go together, but this isn't what the Mountain is wearing when they fight. This is pretty well what he's wearing when they fight.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. My name is... Oh, wait, no, that's... Never mind.
Sorry, that's Princess Bride.
Yeah, same sort of thing.
Hello, my name is Oberyn Martell. You killed my sister and her children. Prepare to die. Psych! Squeeze!
Yeah, so, alright.
Alright, so let me check him out. So the black kind of gets onto his non-black metal pieces, but very cool figure.
Yeah, sorry.
So the front of him has some of, like, in terms of the bottom, I guess it's just a thick paint, because it looks like it has some of the least detail out of almost all the parts. The back, they do some good work with such small molds. Yeah, I really like this. I mean, nothing wrong with Oberyn, but we've already got him.
We already have him.
We already have him.
Yeah. So, alright, well, check out some of our other videos where you can see us get Oberyn.
Yeah, and definitely be sure to like and subscribe. Comment, tell us what you think, engage with us, ask us about our hair if you want to. Okay, maybe not the hair.
Alright, so, well, until next time, that's this time.
For Alpher Omegar.
Ayo!